welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is another plus size clothing try on haul. So I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. So just quickly before we jump into the clothing, I just want to make a quick note. I have done a tutorial on this look. I have changed my jewelry and everything, popped a little bit of gloss on and popped my hair up so that I could try on these clothing. So if you want to see that, I will link it above for you guys. I just wanted to let you know that this haul is actually from multiple different shops. So it is a massive plus size haul. I'm not sure how I'm going to edit this yet, whether I'm going to do it in one video or two videos, but I will make sure to leave a note if I do end up doing two videos so that you guys can come back for part two, because I don't want it to be super long and boring. So I've got 3 items from Pretty Little Thing. I have 3 items from Yours Clothing. I have 2 items from Shein that I'll try on camera with you. However, I do have some other items from Shein, which is bathers. Unfortunately, I'm not comfortable enough trying that on camera for you guys, but I will try them on and see how they fit, and I will let you guys know what I think of them, and I will try and add in a picture so you can see what ones I actually grabbed. And then I also have 3 things from Boohoo. Now, I didn't actually know that Pretty Little Thing and Boohoo did plus size, or my plus size, so I was really surprised when I found out they do my size now. So I'm not sure how long they've been doing that for, so I just want to grab a few items from each and see what they sort of fit like, whether they're any good or not. So yeah, let's jump in. So I have decided to split this video into 2 videos just because I have so many pieces of clothing. I don't want to bore you or overwhelm you. So video 1 is going to be Shein and Yours Clothing. And then the second video is going to be Pretty Little Thing and Boohoo. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the Shein items. Okay, so the first item I got from Shein that I'll try on camera with you is it's this blue like dress romper thing. It's shorts at the bottom. It was a pretty good price, that's why I did actually pick it up. And it has like this little halter neck detail, so I will try it on and show you guys what I think of it. But so far the material feels really nice. It has like a lace overlay, and then underneath it's got like a really nice soft silky material, but it's not like super thick or anything, so it feels like as though it'd be breezy. So yeah, I'll try that on and show you guys what it looks like. So this is item 1 from Shein, and I really like it. I think it's really comfortable. It is actually really nice as well. Like, you could make this like a going out outfit. Otherwise, you can dress it down and make it a casual outfit. I love the color, I love the comfort, the feel. It's plenty of room to eat and breathe, which is always good. The only thing is, obviously, it doesn't come with sleeves, so obviously I have to wear a jacket on it, and it doesn't hide your bra straps. So my jacket came in handy for that, so yeah. But I really like this. I definitely say this is like a 5 out of 5 for me. It's not super long either. It just comes to your knees. So yeah, I really like it, and I got plenty of room to move in this one. So my second item from Shein that I'll try on for you guys is another dog mum shirt. I can't help it. I'm a dog mum. I love my fur babies. So it's just basically a long sleeve shirt, and it just says dog mum with a heart and a paw on the front. So I think it's really cute, and I'm looking forward to wearing this one. I wear my other dog mum shirts so often, and everybody always comments on it. They absolutely love it. So this is item number 2 from Shein, the dog mum shirt, one of my favorites. Sleeves are very long though, so it is a long sleeve shirt, which will mean it will be quite hot in summer if you wanted to wear it in summer, but I think it'd be a really cute, you know, shirt to wear in the winter or something. I really like the color, I really like the fit. I like that it's long as well, because most tops these days are all the cropped fashion and I'm not a huge fan of that. So yeah, I really like it. My arms fit as well. I did go like a bigger size than what I am so that I can make sure that my arms do fit. But I really like this. I think it's super cute. So what do you guys think of this one? Do you like those Shein items? So I will add in the pictures of what the bathers that I grabbed, and I will let you guys know what I think of them once I've tried them on.
So this one fit, it was really cute on, however it wasn't very supportive on my chest. This next one here I really liked as well, and it covered my arms. The pants, they were a bit iffy. They were very tight, almost like can't breathe tight. And then the last set, the orange set, I really struggled to have them fit my arms, so I wasn't a fan of that one.
So this first product, you will probably see me wearing it quite a bit in. Most of you know from my previous videos, I'm not comfortable with my arms. My arms are quite large compared to the rest of my body. Yes, I am plus size, so I know I'm large everywhere, but my arms are abnormally large, and I don't know why yet, but I am getting tested for some things, so I normally cover my arms with something at all times because I'm not comfortable with them. So that's why I brought this first product, and basically it is a lace little sleeve, so it comes down to your elbows, and it just does up at the front with like a little bra thing, so it comes in underneath your boobs, so it doesn't cover your chest at all, but it basically, yeah, just covers your arms. So I never wear anything with short sleeves because of it. Even at home I rarely wear it. If I'm here by myself, I'm more likely to risk walking around without a long sleeve shirt on, but majority of the time I will be wearing some sort of like jacket or something, and I find it really hard because I do have hot flushes from my endometriosis medication, so I wanted something that I could wear and not like be extremely hot in. So yeah, I thought I would try this out. I have had compression wear for my arms before. I've been trying to track down another one that would fit, and unfortunately with everything going on in the world, it's just so impossible to get anything at the moment. Okay, so please excuse how I'm looking. I've just got a singlet on so I could show you guys this, but these are the sleeves from Yours Clothing. So they just come to your elbows like that. They tuck your arms in a little bit, like they hold them a little bit tighter, and basically it comes underneath your bra and it straps at the front just here. It's really comfortable. It's not itchy like I thought it might be because it is lace. It does show the lace at the back though, so you would need to like be comfortable with showing that. And yeah, I probably could have gone the size down for like this way, because this is a little bit too big under here, but it's like perfect on my arms. I could even probably squeeze into the size down on my arms as well, just for more like comfort, like to hold them in a little bit more. But for the first one, I'm really liking this. So yeah, that is the little sleeves that I picked up. So the second product that I got from Yours Clothing is this metallic long sleeve shirt. So it has the ruching in the middle there. So I thought it would be a really nice like going out top, or like cute for videos. So I'm looking forward to trying that one on. Okay, so item 2 from Yours Clothing looks like this. Macy's decided that she wants to try and close with us. So it's not very long. It only comes up to here. So I keep tugging on it, which then tugs on that. So if I let it sit properly, it's only like right there. And that's where like my pants line is. So it is a bit short for my liking, but I do really like, I think it's really cute. The sleeves are like obviously a little bit bigger. And then yeah, it has this cute detail in the front. But I think it's really nice from like here upwards. I probably need, you know, like a high-waisted or something to cover the fact that it's more like a cropped shirt than a proper shirt. But what do you guys think of it? Let me know down in the comments. So my last product from Yours Clothing and for this video is actually a dress. So it is sort of like a slinky dress, I think. Like it's meant to be tight. I don't really know how to describe it. So I'm a bit nervous about this one, but it looked really cute on the model. And it was at a good price. So it's really sparkly, right up my alley. And it has sleeves on it, so I wouldn't have to add anything. And then it has like this little peekaboo area for your chest. So I'm really excited to try it. It does feel very like itchy on the outside, so I hope the inside isn't as bad. The inside feels textured, but not like super itchy like the outside. The outside feels like as though it's like glued on like glitter. So, and I'm getting glitter everywhere. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that one as well. Okay, please excuse my bra in this one. I can't hide it because obviously it's got the little peekaboo thing. So you would need a bra that would suit this if you are testy and can't get away without wearing a bra. Now, I got the size up than what I normally am in this brand, purely because it has arms on it. So I didn't want to have any issues of it not fitting my arms. And this is like way too tight. I wouldn't be wearing this anytime soon. Definitely need to lose the belly to be able to wear this because it shows all my rolls, all my lumps and bumps. But it is cute. Like if you're okay with showing all your lumps and bumps, then this is great. I'm not that confident yet. So for me, it's not me, unfortunately. And the slit is like really high. I feel like as though like any second it's gonna show my underwear. But let me show you that. So the length of it pulled down is like, it's a decent length. It's not like mini. But the slit is really high up. And let me just put my hair there. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this one. So I'll probably keep this one in my cupboard until I've lost some weight and see if I like it then. But this just makes me look like a stuffed chicken. So that is it for this video. This was on the Shein clothing and the Yours clothing items. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family. Hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And don't forget to come back for part 2 where I'll show you some boohoo and pretty little thing items. So as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!